In this video, we'll be looking at variable expressions as inputs of functions. So what that means is that instead of plugging in a number like f of 2 or h of negative 2 or something like that, we're going to have a number and a variable in there. Okay, so this is an expression 2x. So everywhere we see an x, we're instead going to replace it with a 2x. So in our first problem, f of 2x, the only x value we have right here is being squared. So be careful and put that in parentheses so that you know that both the 2 and the x are getting squared here, not just the x. Okay, and then minus 7, nothing happens to that because there's no x there. So if we square both things in here, 2 squared becomes 4. X squared, of course, is x squared minus 7. So f of 2x is equal to 4x squared minus 7. Okay, let's look at the next one. So we have the function h of x equals x plus 6 over 2x plus 1, and we're asked to put in an h of x minus 2. X minus 2 is going to go into these x values. So h of x minus 2, here's x minus 2 in place of x. Let's see, plus 6. And then x minus 2 goes in here. So 2 times x minus 2 plus 1. Now we need to clean that up. So the top becomes x minus 2 plus 6. And the bottom becomes, we distribute this, and that gives us 2x minus 4 plus 1. So we got to clean this up as well. So 6 minus 2 is 4, so x plus 4 on top. And then negative 4 plus 1 is negative 3, so 2x minus 3 on bottom. Okay, let's look at the next one. So this time we're asked to put in a 2n in place of x there. So g of 2n, everywhere I see an x, I'm going to put a 2n instead. So 3 times parentheses 2n squared minus 1. Okay, and we take the square and square both the n and the 2. So that's 3 times 4n squared, because 2 squared is 4, and n gets squared as well, minus 1. So that is 12n squared minus 1. So g of 2n is equal to 12n squared minus 1. Okay. F of 4y into this function, 3 plus 2x over negative 2 plus x. So f of 4y is equal to 3 plus 2x, except we're going to replace it with 4y, over negative 2 plus x, or in our case, plus 4y. Okay, let's clean that up a bit. So the 3 on top, nothing happens. 2 gets multiplied by that, and it becomes 8y on top. So 3 plus 8y. And then on bottom, negative 2 plus 4y. And that's it.